They don't need to know that. Just stick it in there and shoot. We'll just play it over and over.
Put it on loop.
I put it on a loop and let her go.
20 times.
Man, that guy looks, he's awful. Man, that guy's consistent, isn't he?
Yeah.
Look at that grouping.
Man, okay. Incredible. Oh, they're all in the same hole. That guy is amazing. All right, Code. Hey, Code. Cody, look up here. What you doing?
What are the specifics on this guy again?
It's a Plum crazy lower with a DPMS Upper.
Maybe. And an NC Star 4-16.
Okay. Can you see what happened?
I think I might have hit. It's only a 22 sized hole. Nobody will notice.
They can account for all the other bullet holes that's there already. I don't see one. Oh wait, I do. I think you nailed the orange dot in the forehead.
Whoa.
First shot.
Let's go look.
Yeah.
Shall we?